Ready to potentially mirror the success of seasoned crypto traders without spending countless hours glued to charts? Let's dive into copy trading on Blofin, where you can automatically replicate the trades of experienced individuals. First, head to the Blofin platform and locate the copy trade section, often found in the main menu or dashboard. You'll be presented with a list of traders. Take your time to analyze their profiles. Look at their past performance metrics, such as profit rates, risk scores, and trading styles. Pay close attention to these key indicators to understand their trading history and risk appetite. A higher profit rate might come with a higher risk, so find a balance that aligns with your comfort zone. Once you've selected a trader, you can customize your copy trading settings. Define the amount you want to invest per trade and set a stop loss to manage potential losses. This step is crucial for controlling your risk. Now, sit back and let the system automatically copy the trades of your chosen trader. Their buys and sells will be replicated in your account, potentially generating profits without requiring constant monitoring from you. Remember, copy trading involves inherent risks. Thoroughly research the traders you choose to follow and adjust your settings according to your risk tolerance. Start exploring the world of copy trading on Blofin today and potentially benefit from the expertise of seasoned traders. #BLOF in copy trade #CryptoStrategy.